This is the real Philippines. Yeah?
It's rocky road.
Rocky Road, real Philippines.
This is it. Just have to wear running shoes or something to hold.
I have my hiking shoes on.
It's kind of a long walk a little bit.
I don't care about a long walk.
There's a little river.
Very strong. Man, I wish I would have recorded that. I didn't have that interaction recorded.
Where? What?
You're talking. God. I always miss the best opportunities.
So I have to ask the question.
Yeah, but before you ask, let me know so I can record that.
Right.
Yeah. Because believe it or not, people want to hear that interaction. It's authentic. It's not some bullshit English, it's local.
Yeah. So it's a very long walk. This is what you wanted.
This doesn't bother me. I'll just rest whenever I need to rest.
Yeah, instead of paying 100 pesos for the motorcycle, I'll just give a tip. Like 20, I think.
No, you pay them. Pay them in full. The full negotiated amount. I know they didn't take us all the way up here, but still. Ah, these fucking rocks are kind of hard to walk on.
Because I'm afraid that it will take us here and then the motorcycle will crash.
Yeah.
So much better to walk.
Or maybe it's a setup.
What?
Maybe it's a setup.
No.
They kidnapped that.
No. I'm just scared, skeptical. I'm driving here.
What if the motorcycle will crash? Then we'll be injured.
No, that's my...
That's better than hoofing it. This kind of sucks.
Wow. It's too much Indiana.
Ah, this ain't Indiana.
Wait.
What?
No, I'm carrying water, right?
You know I'm carrying a bunch of camera gear, right?
I have to take it slow.
You've been in Indiana way too long.
Oh my goodness.
Too much flatland for you.
Just go ahead.
That's pretty bad though. I can handle this now and you can't.
Wait. Goodness. It used to be like here.
That's why you should have wore shorts.
It doesn't become dark.
I like the dark. I don't see no waterfalls here.
Wait, look what's just here. They changed the road. I'm not in the right way. I'm pretty much sure this is the only road. That's the river.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's flowing down that way, so there would be. That makes sense to me anyway. Man, there's a lot of stone here.
I'm sure
Be
before
perfect for building a wall.
build a wall.
Huh?
Yeah, you can build. I'm sure it was just here. It's just the road is kind of different. The last time I was here.
Well, they've been working on it.
Yeah, the last time I was here, it's not like this.
Huh.
The guy said that it's just after the mountain. We'll see.
I hear it. We're in the right way. Just wait, I want to put the microphone on as soon as we find some shade. Some shade.
We should be passing that road then, so we got wrong.
Yeah, we took the back way in.
Yeah, because the road.
That's all right.
They want us to really hurt there.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah, I have to go somewhere here because the road is closed, so they reroute the road.
Yeah.
And this is not the clear way. Because we're supposed to pass in the area there,
Yeah.
it's closed. So I have to ask here how to pass there again. Because I know the falls is right there, right?
I don't know. I heard falls somewhere.
No, I've seen falls for a while. But look at that thing there.
Look at what? Oh, the road's washed out. Well, no, we can just walk down here.
I have to ask the house here.
What house? Okay. No, we can just go down here, watch. This is easy. Trust me, there's nothing to it.
You're an expert here.
Yeah. I'm gonna get myself fucked up is what I'm gonna get.
No, it seems to me that this is the wrong one. I used to pass on that kind of cement there. I've never seen any signage now.
Say what?
I've
Well,
never.
they just knocked it down.
Yeah, so
Don't worry about it. We're in the perfectly fine serial killer spot.
yeah, I have to ask. I just want to make sure I don't want to be like roaming around.
Yeah, I see the falls right there. Just trust me. We just hop on the rocks and walk up.
There's a big cliff, cave there.
There's not a cave there.
There is.
I know my Philippines.
What's the pass on that?
It's broke. And we'll just walk across that.
That's the Bagaden.
What?
This is the one now. So we're really
This place seems to have seen its better days.
yeah. So this is the place. The problem
Yeah, but this is what I like.
yeah.
There's nobody
We're passing
around.
the back road, so
Having a bunch of people around just pisses me off. And that pisses me off having plastic.
yeah, but this is the one. These are the cottages.
Ah,
It's just that we're passing on the back road, so it makes me like confused a little bit. Oh, these are the old cottages.
is this not in service anymore, obviously? No, it's broke.
It's not in service.
They're just rebuilding it now, or what?
They're building it, trying to fix it again. Be careful on the wire.
Well, that's nice. There's electrical wire there that I just stepped on. Obviously, it wasn't on.
No, it's all damaged.
Oops.
Just be careful.
Yeah.
You said, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Tabi ako.
Tabiaco. Oh. I don't know what this looks like on camera, but this is stunning live.
There's supposed to be a bridge right there.
Yeah. It was so much nicer whenever, yeah, the wire. I'm gonna zap my head off. What the hell happened to this place? Yeah, I remember the pictures you had of this place, and it was just stunning. It was well kept. Of course, I'm shooting right into the sun.
There's a little house there.
Yeah, but hey, at least we have this by ourselves. To ourselves.
I don't think there's some close to it. I have to clean the lens.
Oh.
Never been used.
You selfie me there. I'll video you selfie me. Okay, you picture me here. Where do you want me?
there so I can get the falls. 1, 2. Okay. Water is deep.
What?
I will not cross this.
You're not going to pass over there?
No, water is deep.
Just walk
Across.
No, I don't know because it's breaking.
It just fell down because it fell down. Just trust me on this. I can cross it. I think. Very solid. It's solid. What? No.
What they're doing is they're talking right there. They step the water.
What?
They step the water.
I have shoes and socks on. I can't step the water. I have to step. No, wait a second. There's another way. I see it. No, I'm not crossing this. There's a little dam or some shit. Just watch the cable. Just look. Ha! Ooh. The step down's kind of difficult. No, seriously, just trust me. I'm from Indiana, I know these things. Well, the good news is that's like a buried cable. And hopefully I won't die. All right, here.
No, just wait.
Just lay down on, or sit down on that, then no fear. You're Philippines. See, you have to trust me sometimes. Fortune favors the bold. Oh, there's somebody's dinner plate. See?
What's that?
Yeah, you mad at me now?
No.
Just wait. There's a little treacherous spot here. Here, wait. See, how did the Hoosier cross the other side? Is this because of the typhoon?
Typhoon, and maybe they're trying to
Upgrade? Maybe there's a snake. What?
We have cobras.
Cobras?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Picture them.
Yes. Don't worry, I'm very good at cobra. Huh? Yeah, lots.
All right.
Oh, there's nothing better than having selfies. This way, there might be a cobra.
This woman. Look at the landmark.
This is a landmark for what?
For this falls, the region of Sapang Dalaga.
All right.
Why?
Just wait. All right.
1, 2. All right, smile. Okay. What?
Nothing. Here, just wait.
Better.
Yeah, we want more, but let me get this out of my hands. All right. Refocus. Shit. You stay there, you stay. All right, selfie.
Okay.
Very serious. I'm just a white guy at a waterfall. Oh man. Ah.
Here, no, camera.
No, it fell. And people want to see what the hell is going on here.
No camera.
They see my... What? No, I'm not recording.
1, 2.
Okay, so tell the camera what falls this is.
What?
What falls is this?
It's Baga Falls.
Baga Falls.
Baga.
Baga.
Yeah.
Baga Falls.
It's Baga Falls. No, it should be say like this. Baga Falls. Baga.
Baga.
Yes, exactly right.
Okay. And where is that located?
No, just some. I really don't know what is the exact town. I don't know.
You're barangay. You're barangay.
This is like Tabinas, our place. It's Tabinas.
Sapang Dalaga.
Yeah.
Mindanao, Philippines.
No, Sapang Dalaga is a hometown, but this
Yeah,
is a little
but
area
it's like our
called-
county.
Yeah. This is called like a Tabinas, someplace in Tabinas.
Okay.
I think they are remote.
It's for people that don't know, that may watch this video and they don't know.
So I'll give them teeth.
Huh?
We'll drink water right there.
Where? Across?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I definitely need some water before we take out of here. That freaking road. I don't know why they have to tear up the roads like that. Yeah, but you don't try to fix it until you're ready to fix it. You don't tear it up until it's ready.
Typhoon also. Remember the big typhoon?
Yeah, I know the typhoon tore things up. Every bit of this is probably flooded out, got destroyed by the water, but still.
Yeah, but it's not easy to fix because I think the priority is the road. So.
Yeah, but this is a
Looks
tourist attraction.
But once the road will be done, this will be
Here,
so
hold
pretty.
the camera.
I got inverted.
Oh, and you're recording yourself doing that.
Whatever. All right, we'll try to cross the river then.
Yeah, we'll cross the river. I'll go first.
Careful on the wire.
I'm going to be careful on that wire this time. I won't step it anymore. Ah!
Be careful, hold. Okay, thank you.
You go first.
Now we're crossing the little creek.
Oh, hey, you did good. You went up it.
Bye.
What are you doing? More selfie?
Yeah.
Go.
Bye. So quick. You need to be slow.
I can do slow-mo editing. I can make that look so epic with music. I believe I can fly. Hey, just careful the wire there. One last look. Waterfalls are missing. Oh, everything. Okay, let's go now. Selfie girl.
Selfie is important.
Selfie is life.
Selfie is life.
Watch out, there might be a cobra there. They're like tricking you. They jump.
Yeah, too. Before there's an entrance here, you have to pay like 20 pesos.
I ain't paying shit now, it's all rained down.
No, nobody's guarding here now. Before this was very beautiful. You have to pay like 20 and 10 per shoulder.
This is the thing that YouTubers don't tell you, is the hiking. They show you a beautiful waterfall, but they never show you how they got there.
Yeah, because it takes an effort to have a beautiful pictures, but
So, there's a cow. I will picture that. I will selfie with the cow.
Now be careful of cow here because our cow is aggressive.
Oh, they don't like white guys.
No. See the road, it's really rough.
I don't care about rough road. I am ready to drink something though.
You see, did tell us about this?
No, this is not in the picture book. Whenever I saw the pictures on your Facebook or Google, whatever, but when you was here, yeah, you didn't show this part.
No, I did not, because I want to capture the nice thing only.
I like capturing behind the scenes, all the crap you got to go through to get there.
But years from now...
But this is actually pretty easy to get to compared to some of the other waterfalls I've seen on YouTube.
Yeah. But years from now, you will see this road will be very, very nice.
Yeah, hopefully they'll be able to fix it up again. But at the same time, it's nice not having anybody there mucking up the view.
That's why now they're not fixing the cottages, because they know that if they will fix that, it will be hard to fix more. But a lot of people are coming in and out, so it's like they stopped the operation here.
I see. So if you're not ready to finish it completely, then why bother?
So no visitors allowed really here. That's why nobody is there. Oh my God, I'm running out of breath.
Oh, you've been in the cornfield way too long.
I don't know.
That's pretty sad when I'm in more shape than you. You was running circles around me last time we was here.
I'm tired. I don't have a lot good sleep.
Too much TV and YouTube.
Facebooking.
Facebook, Instagramming.
I wish I can Instagram all the pictures then.
Here, I need a shot over the mountain. I want a mini selfie. Many and many. I want to go ride that cow. I want to go ride the cow is what I want to do. You think it'll let me? Like in the movies where they're working the caribou?
Those are just in movies.
The water buffalo, that's just movies, isn't it? The reality is it fucking hates me.
1, 2, smile.
Instagram.
Oh, I can't believe we're about to be home. I still love the Philippines.
Well, we've been here a week and a half. That's the fastest week and a half I've ever had.
I want to have more week.
I want to roam around Manila some.
I want here.
Huh?
I want the Philippines here in my town.
Ouch. Dipolog would be cool to roam around for a couple days. Because I thought we was going to drive the motorcycle. Fuck. I am a chainsaw massacre. Waiting for a white guy to come down the hill. Yeah. We could build our house with that stone. I'd much rather do that than the cinder block. Hey. There's nothing like a good long walk uphill.
What?
I said there's nothing like a good long walk uphill with Chainsaw Massacre back there. Yeah, get on that chainsaw, buddy. Yeah. Okay, just switched batteries, and now I'm full again, ready to go. I'll just wait. Oh man, he is getting with that wood. This guy don't have time to play. He needs to chop that wood.
Very rough road. But it's a nice view, but it's just too rocky road. Difficult to walk.
It's too rocky road. It's difficult to walk. I wish I was here the whole time you sang.
Ay, grabe man ay kamaot ng dalan dito. Jesus. Kamaot sa dalan gyud, pero bisod kayo lakton.
Bisod kayo?
Bisod ay.
O galibot mo dire.
Gilibot na mo dito.
Kasada o.
Nalimot ko ba, nawala ko sa cottage kaya parang namaot man. Bisod.
Sa dako kay baha na diha.
Ah.
Giabot man na tubig.
Oh, the cause of that cottages to damage
Yeah.
is the big flood.
Oh, the
typhoon.
flood.
I thought that
Okay.
they are rearranging. Kanang kuan sila ba?
It all makes sense now. Damn floods.
Tubig before. Kahoy na.
Uli na wala yung mga tourist guy.
Wala pa kayo mahuman.
Turista diha.
Kaling mahuman ni kasadahan
Ay.
dito. Kasadahan.
Now we're talking that if this road will be done, the tourists will come here.
Yeah.
This will be a very pretty road. Nice
Well, they
scenery.
need the tourists to come back so they can make some money.
No, but because of the flood, it destroyed the cottages. Even the bridge. Katubit ang bridge, kinaguba biya. Kasi lisura pag-angat dito. Ano itong bukid, di makaya. Wabay gimutan mo kasi dito.
Wala ni sunod. Tama ra gihari na ato diha.
Tama nga po yung mga nabisag na maot na, no?
Oo, na atong halada ko lay nga.
Dagan po ang plato ilang ipanlabay ay. Ang plato ilang ipanlabay.
Nerd. Oh.